Hi, in this video we will be talking about building multiple streams of income. Watch this video to the end to learn guide to financial stability. Welcome back to the International CEO. In today's dynamic and uncertain economic landscape, the concept of relying solely on a single source of income for financial security is becoming increasingly outdated. With the rise of automation, globalization, and the gig economy, individuals are recognizing the importance of diversifying their income streams to achieve financial stability and independence. Building multiple streams of income not only provides a safety net in times of economic downturn but also opens up opportunities for wealth creation and personal fulfillment. This guide aims to explore the strategies and principles behind establishing diverse sources of income and navigating the journey towards financial freedom. Understanding multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income refer to having several sources of revenue that contribute to an individual's overall earnings. Employment income. Traditional employment is often the primary source of income for many individuals. It provides a steady paycheck in exchange for services rendered to an employer. While employment income offers stability, relying solely on it leaves individuals vulnerable to job loss, salary stagnation, or corporate restructuring. To mitigate this risk, individuals can explore opportunities for career advancement, skill development, and negotiating higher salaries. Additionally, diversifying income through part-time work or freelancing can supplement earnings from a primary job. Entrepreneurial ventures. Entrepreneurship presents opportunities to create additional streams of income through starting and managing businesses. Entrepreneurial ventures can range from small-scale startups to large corporations, catering to diverse industries and markets. Successful entrepreneurship requires identifying market gaps, developing innovative products or services, and executing effective business strategies. While entrepreneurship involves inherent risks, it also offers the potential for significant financial rewards and personal fulfillment. Investment income. Investments provide another avenue for generating income, including dividends from stocks, interest from bonds, and rental income from real estate properties. Building a diversified investment portfolio helps spread risk and maximize returns. This can include a mix of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and alternative investments. Investment income requires careful research, monitoring market trends, and managing risk through asset allocation and diversification strategies. Passive income. Passive income streams involve earning money with minimal ongoing effort or active involvement. While passive income requires upfront investment or effort to establish, it offers the potential for long-term financial freedom and flexibility. Strategies for building multiple streams of income. Identify your skills and interests. Start by assessing your skills, passions, and areas of expertise. Identify opportunities where you can leverage these strengths to generate income. Consider whether your skills are transferable to different industries or if there are niche markets where you can excel. Avoid relying solely on one income source. Diversify your earnings across different industries, asset classes, and business models. By spreading risk, you can minimize the impact of economic downturns or changes in market conditions on your overall income. Invest in personal development. Continuously invest in upgrading your skills, knowledge, and capabilities. This could involve pursuing higher education, attending workshops, or obtaining certifications. Stay updated on industry trends, emerging technologies, and market opportunities to remain competitive in your chosen fields. Leverage technology and automation. Embrace technology and automation tools to streamline processes and maximize efficiency in your income-generating activities. Explore online platforms, digital marketing, and e-commerce to reach a broader audience and scale your income-generating ventures. Create passive income streams. Look for opportunities to generate passive income that require minimal ongoing effort once established. This could involve investing in rental properties, creating digital products, or building an online business that generates revenue through affiliate marketing or advertising. Manage risk effectively. Conduct thorough research, diversify investments, and have contingency plans in place to mitigate potential losses. Monitor and adapt. Regularly review your income streams and financial goals. Be prepared to adapt your strategies based on changing market conditions, consumer preferences, and personal circumstances. Case studies and success stories. Real estate investing. Sarah diversified her income by investing in rental properties. Over time, she built a portfolio of residential and commercial properties, generating passive income through rental payments. Freelancing. Mark supplemented his full-time job income by freelancing as a graphic designer in his spare time. As demand for his services grew, he transitioned to freelancing full-time, enjoying greater flexibility and higher earnings. Online business. Emily started an e-commerce store selling handmade jewelry. Through effective digital marketing and customer engagement strategies, her business flourished, generating significant revenue streams. In the first part of this guide, we explored the fundamental principles and strategies behind building multiple streams of income to achieve financial stability. We discussed various sources of income, including employment, entrepreneurship, investments, and passive income, and outlined strategies for diversification and risk management. In this continuation, we delve deeper into advanced techniques, case studies, and practical tips to help individuals further expand their income-generating ventures and secure their financial future. Advanced techniques for building multiple streams of income. Scaling business ventures. Once you've established a successful business venture, explore opportunities for scaling and expanding operations to generate higher income streams. This could involve increasing production capacity, expanding into new markets or product lines, or implementing franchising or licensing agreements. Scaling requires careful planning, investment, and risk management to ensure sustainable growth and profitability. Passive real estate investments. Real estate offers various avenues for generating passive income beyond traditional rental properties. Consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow investors to access diversified portfolios of income-generating properties without the hassle of property management. Crowdfunding platforms also provide opportunities to invest in real estate projects with lower capital requirements and reduced risk compared to direct ownership. Dividend investing. Dividend investing involves purchasing stocks of companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. By building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, investors can generate a steady stream of passive income while benefiting from potential capital appreciation. Focus on companies with a track record of consistent dividend payments, strong financial fundamentals, and sustainable business models. In today's digital age, individuals can monetize their creativity, knowledge, and expertise by creating and selling digital assets. This could include e-books, online courses, software applications, stock photography, music compositions, and digital artwork. Platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Udemy, and Etsy provide opportunities to reach a global audience and generate passive income from digital products. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms connect borrowers with individual investors willing to lend money in exchange for interest payments. Investors can earn passive income by diversifying their loan portfolios across various borrowers and loan grades. However, P2P lending carries inherent risks, including default risk and platform insolvency, so investors should conduct thorough due diligence and invest only what they can afford to lose. Royalties and licensing. If you possess intellectual property rights, such as patents, trademarks, or copyrights, explore opportunities to license or sell these assets to generate royalty income. Licensing agreements allow third parties to use your intellectual property in exchange for royalties or licensing fees, providing a recurring stream of passive income. Ensure to protect your intellectual property rights through proper legal documentation and enforcement measures. Affiliate marketing and influencer partnerships. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through affiliate links and earning a commission on sales generated through your referrals. As an influencer or content creator, you can partner with brands and companies to promote their products or services to your audience in exchange for a commission or sponsorship fees. Choose affiliate programs and partnerships that align with your niche, values, and audience preferences to maximize earning potential and credibility. Time management and prioritization. Effectively managing your time and priorities is crucial when juggling multiple income-generating activities. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency, and allocate time blocks for specific activities to maintain productivity and focus. Consider using productivity tools and techniques such as time blocking, to-do lists, and Pomodoro technique to optimize your workflow. Continual learning and adaptation. Stay abreast of industry trends, technological advancements, and market developments relevant to your income streams. Be adaptable and willing to pivot your strategies based on changing market dynamics and consumer preferences. Financial planning and budgeting. Develop a comprehensive financial plan that encompasses your income, expenses, savings, investments, and financial goals. Create a budget to track your income and expenses, identify areas for cost optimization, and allocate funds towards savings and investments. Consider working with a financial advisor or using financial planning software to develop a personalized roadmap for achieving your financial objectives. Risk management and contingency planning. Assess the risks associated with each income stream and implement risk management strategies to mitigate potential threats. Maintain adequate insurance coverage, such as health insurance, disability insurance, and liability insurance, to protect against unforeseen events. Establish emergency funds to cover living expenses in case of job loss, business downturn, or other financial emergencies. Networking and collaboration. Build a strong professional network of peers, mentors, advisors, and industry experts who can provide support, guidance, and opportunities. Collaborate with other professionals, entrepreneurs, and businesses to leverage synergies, share resources, and explore new income-generating ventures. Case studies and success stories. Dividend investor. James diversified his investment portfolio by focusing on dividend-paying stocks. Over time, he built a portfolio of blue-chip companies across various sectors, generating a reliable stream of passive income through dividends. Digital entrepreneur. Rebecca transitioned from traditional employment to entrepreneurship by launching an online business selling digital products. Through effective marketing and customer engagement strategies, she built a loyal customer base and achieved financial independence. Passive income investor. David diversified his passive income streams by investing in a combination of real estate properties, dividend stocks, and peer-to-peer lending platforms. By spreading risk across different asset classes, he achieved financial stability and flexibility. In the previous sections of this guide, we've covered the fundamental principles, advanced techniques, and practical tips for building multiple streams of income to achieve financial stability. Additional strategies for building multiple streams of income. Outsourcing and delegation. As your income-generating activities expand, consider outsourcing non-core tasks or delegating responsibilities to others. Outsourcing allows you to focus on high-value activities that directly contribute to revenue generation while leveraging the expertise of professionals in areas such as marketing, accounting, and administrative support. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit provide access to a global talent pool of freelancers and contractors for outsourcing tasks on a project basis. Continuous innovation and value creation. To sustain long-term success, prioritize innovation and value creation across your income streams. Continuously assess market needs, consumer preferences, and technological advancements to identify opportunities for product or service innovation. Invest in research and development to stay ahead of competitors and deliver superior value propositions that resonate with your target audience. Passive income through licensing and franchising. Explore opportunities to generate passive income through licensing your intellectual property or franchising your business model. Licensing agreements allow third-party licensees to use your trademarks, patents, or copyrights in exchange for royalties or licensing fees. Franchising enables entrepreneurs to replicate your proven business model and brand under a licensing agreement, providing a scalable and passive income stream. Alternative investments. Diversify your investment portfolio by exploring alternative asset classes beyond stocks, bonds, and real estate. Alternative investments such as private equity, venture capital, hedge funds, and cryptocurrency offer unique opportunities for generating alpha and uncorrelated returns. Philanthropy and social impact investing. Consider integrating philanthropy and social impact investing into your income-generating activities to create positive change while generating financial returns. Socially responsible investing, SRI, and environmental, social, and governance, ESG, criteria can guide investment decisions that align with your values and contribute to sustainable development. Explore opportunities to support charitable causes, community development projects, and social enterprises that address pressing social and environmental issues. Considerations for long-term sustainability. Prioritize sustainable growth and scalability in your income-generating ventures to avoid burnout and ensure long-term viability. Develop scalable business models that can accommodate growth without sacrificing quality, efficiency, or customer satisfaction. Invest in infrastructure, technology, and human capital to support expansion while maintaining operational excellence. Strive to achieve a healthy work-life balance that allows you to pursue your income-generating activities while prioritizing your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Establish boundaries between work and personal life, set realistic expectations, and practice self-care to prevent burnout and maintain productivity. Legacy planning and wealth transfer. As you accumulate wealth through multiple income streams, consider long-term legacy planning and wealth transfer strategies to preserve and transfer assets to future generations. Consult with estate planning professionals, financial advisors, and legal experts to develop a comprehensive estate plan that reflects your values, priorities, and objectives. Conclusion. By implementing additional strategies, embracing innovation, and considering long-term sustainability, individuals can further enhance their income-generating ventures and solidify their path towards financial stability and independence. Whether through outsourcing, continuous innovation, alternative investments, or philanthropy, the journey towards building multiple streams of income offers opportunities for growth, fulfillment, and lasting impact. By incorporating these strategies and considerations into your financial plan, you can navigate the complexities of the modern economy with confidence and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.